Afi has to spend at dozen. Ayun at naman ito. Malapisan na ako mag-maging employee. Pero sana napadami ahatusan. Kasi marami ako sakit. Bawal niyo ba? Sana mahabay ulit ako. Customization, naging trabaho ko. At the customers make copy for them. And shopping carts, screen tables, I put things they buy in the van. I enjoy meeting people. I talk with the customer kasi mandadala ako. Mahilig ako magkwento. I think customer niya me. Mayor napapicture sa akin. Eating out every Sunday. We have nights out. We take turns choosing the restaurant. Daddy first, then mommy, then me, then my brother Carlo. I always order a course and make it pa-uwi ng stay ko si Erica, US, Tanya, every Sunday, Mubawe. I also need to travel, enjoy ako sa cruise, sa Australia, and New Zealand. Also, kangaroos, wombats, I ate nuts of burger and fries. Outing. I enjoy outing to work on swimming, games, and lunch with home. And I also enjoy my time party. The guests are very pretty. And also Christmas carol, I get no money.